In this video, I'll show you how to enable and activate the touchscreen on an HP Chromebook. If the touchscreen on your HP Chromebook isn't working, it's usually because the touchscreen feature is disabled, a system glitch occurred, or the device needs a quick refresh or update. You might notice taps not registering, gestures not responding, or the screen acting like it's not touch-enabled at all. Don't worry, I'll walk you through a few simple methods to turn the touchscreen back on, and in many cases, just one of these fixes will solve the problem. Now, here's how you can solve it. Method 1. Check if your HP Chromebook supports touch. Not all HP Chromebooks have touchscreens. Check your model number on the bottom of the device or in Settings about Chrome OS. If your model doesn't support touch, the feature won't work no matter the settings. This is the most common reason users think the touchscreen is broken when it's actually not supported. Method 2. Enable touchscreen using Chrome flags. Open the Chrome browser. Type Chrome//flags in the address bar and press Enter. Search for Touch UI Layout or Touch Events. Set it to Enabled, then restart your Chromebook. Method 3. Restart your Chromebook. Click the status area in the bottom right corner. Select Power and shut down the Chromebook. Turn it back on after 30 seconds. This clears temporary system glitches affecting touch input. Method 4. Update Chrome OS. Go to Settings about Chrome OS. Check for updates and install any available ones. Restart the device after updating. Outdated software can silently disable touchscreen functionality. Method 5. Power wash the Chromebook. Last option. If the touchscreen still doesn't work, perform a power wash. Go to Settings, Advanced, Reset Settings, Power Wash. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset the device. This restores system defaults and fixes deeper software issues. And that's it! Your HP Chromebook touchscreen should now be enabled and working properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Chromebook fixes.